Yeah, awesome trading day. I love these meters that I have here, and I call this the meter wave. You can see this is I'm just in a practice long here, but didn't just looking back at the kind of opening price action. Um, it's actually kind of cool. So basically, even if you did quick replay mode, run the 1 second chart or 1 second, 1 minute, it does miss the spike. But overall, if you're watching this thing, it's actually pretty cool. So yeah, the price just jumped. So you're looking at the meter, waiting for all things to line up, right? It's pretty awesome here, but it's going to spike here a second here. So you could be looking for a short here, but then you can see how price goes bullish. So you're looking to be long. Looking for, you don't have to wait for all three, but it is nice when all three are moving in one direction. Then you see the deltas coming on. And so this is a little bit after the open. So it's going to do is it's going to come down right off this VWAP and just freaking slam. Watch this. So in a second here, it's going to come down here. So we do have some, not too much of a warning. Yeah, okay, it says warning to be neutral. And then actually has you're selling. And then watch this thing. It's this VWAP, and then look at that candle. I mean, so then you're all green, right? You're all green. It's pretty crazy. You're just, it's unbelievable. All green. So yeah, it didn't really at least it warned you though. Um, Either way, pretty cool. So then look at tags, the top of that thing, and so now you're kind of waiting for the next trade. I definitely would have taken profit off there. But look at this. Look at this warning. So obviously you'd be flat, and then this is kind of cool though. Everything is going to turn, and it catches the turn as well. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, you got some nice trades there. Look at this. So you have all green deltas, and then now watch this. It's pretty cool. So gave a little warning to get out. You could have re-entered long there, and basically it's gonna be a double top right on this red hash compass, and so it's pretty cool here. Let's see when it turns. Awesome price action though today. I mean, unbelievable. She goes a little bit north of the hash, but I mean, right, very close to it. So yeah, this one, the wave is starting not quite yet. So yeah, look at this. So we're starting to get some selling pressure a little bit. You're on a wait on this one, on the ETM plus. So yeah, it's making newer higher highs, right? So you're like, oh, this might be a bullish day, right? I mean, it is a bullish day, but it's that hash mark. So like, this is giving you a pause here, so you could actually go back bullish, but then let's check this out. This is actually pretty cool. That's why you can't rush NQ. So if you were looking for a short, you just have to be patient, right? And really, you should just be bullish right now. There's no reason to pull the trigger on a short. You are getting some indications that things are kind of cooling off. But so now look at this. So this is even with 5 micros, right? Nothing big, right? 5 micros. You're risking, I don't know. You might be risking 400, 500 on that. And actually, what you do, so let's do that. Look, go flat. Okay, so look, you're down 200 because you took that, and then like, so then that's all right. You took your, so then you're out. And you might have gone long there, so maybe you'd be, so there you go. Let's go five, let's just do 6 contracts. So again, your risk would be up here again. So we'll see how this is pretty cool here. So again, this shows you, you can get in, and then it flips, and then you just get out. You don't, it's kind of like, you just become robotic about it, right? And this is kind of cool. So it will speed this up a little bit. This is going to come down. Maybe speed this up even more. So now we're just waiting for the flip. So we're going to be up, close to over $1,000 on this trade, and it flips. If I can get out of it. I meant to go long, but oh well. Either way, I was going to go long there, but it was just too fast. So, pretty awesome though. It's just catching. It's never going to catch the highs or lows. It's not, the meter is not designed, to pick the top. But once momentum shifts, look at, so yeah, one false signal there. Okay, but so you caught all these awesome longs here. Great. And then look at this. So even if this came back to where you got in, look at this, give you another signal to go long. So you get nice signals there. And then when it flips there. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Especially when you're watching it live. Replay, it gets kind of hacky because, it just does bar by bar. But when you can see it tick by tick, it's kind of cool to see this thing in action. So I know a lot of the groups trying this out, but basically what we're getting is, the ETM has like 6, 7 confirmations. So you're getting, basically, so you have GANN is 1 confirmation. Then you have VWAP, that's 2. You're above price out, you're above the VWAP, that's 2, right? And 3, that's like almost like 5. So you have like 8 confirmations there. And so, yeah, you're getting a lot of stacked, then you have the deltas too. So you're almost getting up to 10 reasons why you want to be long right here. Not quite, almost 10. When you factor in, this is like 7 or 8, and then 9, 10, yeah. And then again, look at it doesn't even get down to this mid level. So anyway, just a quick breakdown of today's price action, and I do need to make a better video going through each one, and I'll probably do that over the weekend or next week. I have actually already updated these. These are actually old. That's on my chart, but good stuff. So I appreciate you guys, and oh yeah, our Ninja is making a lot of progress too. So we're going to be pushing this all over to Ninja to automate everything. So awesome stuff ahead. Have a good weekend. Later.